Welcome to a very quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing your phone number on Instagram. You will only be able to remove your number if you have added an email address to your account. On the Instagram app, go to your profile page. Now tap on Edit Profile. If you don't have an email set, add it now. Scroll down to Phone Number. You can now remove the number and tap on the blue tick to save it. Your telephone number should now be removed from Instagram. And that draws an end to this short tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.